So I'm back with another video. I haven't done a video in so long now. Honestly speaking, I've been very lazy to edit or just take videos or just vlog or just anything, you know. But I'm back. I'm glad I'm back, because yeah. So today's video is sponsored by DYHAIR777. I've worked with them before. They literally were the one that I got my first wig from, so it's great to work with them again. This time they sent me their brown, it's like chocolate brown wig, and it is 13x4, as you can see. Literally obsessed with this wig. It gives, you know, fullness, length. Literally the length is like 24 inches, and the density is 180, so you know it's full. It's a full, beautiful, and you know, gorgeous curly hair. And I'm obsessed with the color, the length, the texture, just everything. It's so soft, literally so soft. And thank you so much. I'm just going to install it, just get ready, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I enjoyed, you know, editing and doing it, of course. So yeah, I'll let you guys just continue watching. So I quickly changed my top, like changed into my fit quickly, because I was running a bit late and the sun was starting to go down, and I was starting to panic because I'm like, what if it rains? And I don't want to come back home late, you know. But yeah, we got there in time. So as I let my hair just set and get into, you know, just be, yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. I'm not really gonna do like too much, just like, you know, simple look. Yeah, I'll do like a makeup, like my updated makeup tutorial, like my full face makeup tutorial, like in another video. Cause yeah, my new makeup tutorial is literally amazing. So I am going to go watch the new JJK Jujutsu Kaisen movie. I saw it was like in the cinemas, and I was like, there's a movie I need to go watch. And yeah, I decided to go on my own, because like, yeah, I don't really go out like alone like a lot, and I don't know why. Like, I should do more of it. So yeah, let's go. So I'm done. This is my fit with my dogs. These are all black outfit. Then I'm gonna wear this mask because I got it for free, and yeah, it goes with my fit. Anyways, I called my Uber and it's gonna be here like in a few minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Wait, I'll show you guys my bag like that I'm going with. It's not black, it's just like a purple pinkish bag that, you know, just makes the outfit stand out. Why is my hair lifting? Anyways,
握りの具しか語彙がないから会話頑張ってパンダパンダパンダだ
thank you. So I'm going back home. I'm waiting for my Uber. Anyways, my Uber is here. The movie that I watched was literally 10 out of 10. Amazing. But yeah, I'll finish the convo when I get home. Anyways, I thought that was my Uber. It's not my Uber. That's embarrassing. Like, I don't know it is. Where are you, Uber? But yeah, I'll finish the convo when I get home. Got Starbucks. Got my mom some food. Yeah. So my Uber is at entrance 4 and I'm at entrance 2. I hope he comes this side because I don't even know where entrance 4 is. So he better come this side. He better come this side, per. So I am back home. Yeah, so today was fun though. I enjoyed my day. The movie was literally amazing, so that was literally why, like, it was amazing. But yeah, anyways, let me show y'all what I got. So so first I wanted to go to Silver Star because that's where I wanted to go watch the movies, you feel me? But then the movie that I wanted to watch, Jujutsu Kaisen, wasn't there. So I was like, are you kidding me? So I went to Clearwater to watch it. It's not like, they're not far apart from each other, like probably like 10 minutes or less, somewhere there. Then I went there, watched the movie, amazing. Then, but when I was at Silver Star, my friend told me, like, I remember my friend posted like she had Cheetos, and I was like, girl, where the heck did you find Cheetos? Because we don't really have Cheetos this side. So then I got the Cheetos. I'm gonna try them, then we'll see. Since like they make it such a big deal that they're so amazing, we'll see if they're good. I will test them. Then I got gum. Then I got like some food for my mom, Then I got me and my little sister these like headband things. Like I bought her a pink one. It's very cute for like when I do my hair and stuff. Then let me show you guys this thing that I ordered online. Oof. Let me show you guys this thing that I ordered online. It's like that sunset thing. I'm gonna switch it on and see how it looks. It better look cute. If it don't, it better look cute. It mustn't boo me. But yeah, let me plug it so I can show you guys how it looks. But yeah, my day overall was amazing. It was good. It was amazing. Then I went to go like look for like outfits, like not even an outfit, like something to wear, because my friend wants to go. Oh, it works. Oh, oh my days, do you guys see that? Oh, 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 you a beauty, babe. Oh, let me show y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this beauty? That's so pretty. Ooh, it also gives good lighting. But yeah, I bought it online. It's very cute actually, but I wanted the one that looked like a sunset, and I thought like you can change it into like different, like, but it's only one color, and I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, I got that, and yeah. Okay, they don't smell that good. Why do they look so hard? They look spicy. They're hot. They taste like knickknacks, but like hot knickknacks. Well, nothing spectacular, but they're hot. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of my vlog. They're hot. I'll see you guys on my next video.